If I OD today, could I wake up tomorrow? I did it myself, I ain't have to bargain, should've borrowed. Pimpin' in my blood, so how the hell I get my heart broke? Round with that switchy, police stoppers, bro.
What's good, YouTube, boy? It's your boy Dorian, and I'm back with a vlog, man. Huh?
You see yourself good?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, you.
I gotta run your shit.
Well, I'll redo it. I'm finally back with another video, man. I know it been about 2-3 months. I for real took a little break from YouTube, man. I've been trying to figure out, you know, like the pros and cons. There was a lot of stuff that I ain't really know about it that I was trying to figure out. What? You talking about going to the steps?
Go to the steps and see.
We took pictures. Oh, yeah, that region. Nah, we ain't take pictures over there. We walking farther than what we walk anyway. But yeah, man, I'm with Corey, Tyler. Man, they gotta walk. It's way down there. So that means we parked over there. Well, you know how far I walk this is?
Yeah, we had parked.
They got walking, bro. But yeah, though, man, like I was saying, though, I had took some time off from YouTube, bro. I was trying to figure out some stuff about it, man. I done just figured a whole lot. The glass, boy, that's what I'm looking at. Like, got some pictures up there, though. With that glass, that mother do it. Yeah, the glass right there. I'm first, you feel me? Yeah. You feel me? They said the oldest go first, so I got on some slight, man. Tripped over here. I got on some slight, man. But you feel me? I'm first, man. So we finna take pictures right now.
We came across some where we were going, but we see potential with this picture right here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think they gonna do it.
First, so
hey, man. Hey, they finna. Hey, this is it right here. This the spot. We done found it. What, look black right here. I ain't got no retweet. Huh?
Back up, I can see it.
He gonna have the light over there anyway.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's see what that building like. That finna do it.
Yeah.
They finna do it. Hey, this me though. Ooh, they finna do it.
I might take my shit over here.
They finna do it. That without the light.
Yeah, let me come on.
Hey, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we done. We just got done taking pictures, man. How you feel, man?
Actually, pat my life. Hey, but here, y'all gonna see the ground.
It's in the bag.
Right here?
Yeah. Hey, everybody out there taking pictures though.
Hey, what to do, boy? What the f*** it in? You put it in there.
I put it in the. No, I got it. But yeah, though, man, everybody out there taking pictures, man.
Y'all might put up in that car.
Yeah.
You took out your MC. Look at my guy, let me see the RV.
You ain't talking about let me see the RV.
At the gas station, you see.
We got made that walk back. I thought where we came that way.
Ain't that way, but it's a circle.
The circle, yeah.
It's a whole block.
Yeah, man, we about to walk back. Man, we got a little walk though, bro. It ain't that far, but it. Well, look. See, look at that rock head, man. That's what I be talking about, bro. That man left his keys over here.
Oh, man, anybody leave that key? I just forgot.
That man talking about he just forgot. That man be tripping, dog. That man be tripping. Man, I ain't got no cut. None of that. I need to give me. Ooh, I just thought about something crazy too.
What?
Oh.
Idea?
Yeah. I've been walking so much to need, boy.
We gonna everybody get for them.
Look at him, bro. He not even recording, bro. He not even recording, bro. Why you not recording, bro?
My car, I don't even feel like recording right now. My car. It's over there. It's overheated.
What happened with the car?
It's overheated.
For real?
Yeah. Nothing. It's been doing it. I don't know why it's been doing this shit. It's the first time it's been doing it.
Come on, bro. Just wait. By the time it's time to go home, it should be all right. When you get home, though, you need to go and check it out. Like, look at that. You did. Hey, them folks that got me. I thought that was a good shot, boy. I thought that was a good shot, boy.
It's always fun.
Hey, man, I'm ready to get going, boy.
I got 45.
Hey, it cut your recording over there.
Nah, my shit.
Hey, that motherfucker look deep, though.
Yeah, you know, yeah, that whole by bank.
We had about an hour for sure. Like 12.
Good little hour, man.
Nah, bro, you should have said what you said, bro.
No, man, cut that shit out. Cut that shit out. I'm not bullshit.
Man, we was in here for about a good hour though, man. About an hour. Nah, really about an hour and a half.
Hold on.
Really about an hour and a half, man. I dropped some pictures on Instagram though, bro.
Go ahead.
They won't focus, but y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go like that. I ain't Tyler. Tyler, you got it. What you say? Tyler slanging that mud, boy. Tyler trying to get out of here. Tyler say he ain't playing with them folks, boy. Oh, them folks gone too.
Straight up. Nigga, turn, swing that bitch. I wanna wear it out for the
Oh? Ooh, he cussing you out, Tyler. Ooh, I was just talking. Oh, they gonna get him. Man, it's crazy right here, boy. Hey, Tyler.
Crazy.
Man, ooh, they almost came out.
Oh, your shit. We would have been.
Yeah.